Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. This week's Facebook group Collab, I am the one who is hosting the theme, and because it is still summer and I'm really not ready to let go of it, I decided to host the theme that I named Tropical. It technically could have been anything that reminds us of summer, tropical designs, or even Hawaiian shirts. So it was really wide open, and I do hope that you will enjoy my nail art tutorial. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined in with me, then welcome, and I hope you will like what you see here. And if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. As always, I will leave all the links to all the ladies' videos in my description box, so definitely show them some love after you finish watching my video. And I will also have all the pictures at the end after the nail art tutorial portion. I hope everybody had fun with the theme because, as I said, I'm just not ready to let summer go, and the hotter the better for me personally. So let me guys know what is your favorite season while we are talking about tropical designs and tropical heat. But for me, summer is definitely my go-to season, and I really enjoy creating manicures that are resembling that. Alright guys, I think that will be it for my rambling. If you do have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section. Keep watching my nail art tutorial portion, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.